When the board of directors decides to declare a dividend, a couple of stipulations have to be met. So I want you to read about that in the chapter. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to create the journal entries for a cash dividend. The journal entries for a cash dividend are much easier than the journal entries for a stock dividend, so you need to learn these first. There are three very important dates: the date of declaration, date of record, and date of payment. So our problem here says that we have a cash dividend declared of $600,000 on June 15th for stockholders of record August 10th, and it will be paid September 15th. On the date of declaration is when the liability is created for the company. And so you'll actually debit an account called cash dividends, and you'll credit an account called cash dividends payable for the amount given for the cash dividend. This is the day that the dividend actually becomes a liability on the company's books because the board of directors has declared that and promised to pay that to their stockholders. The date of record is when you're going to search and see who actually owns the stock. You're going to gather their addresses so you'll know who to send the checks to. So this is always my face-to-face students' favorite journal entry because here the answer is no entry needed. And then on the date of payment, your journal entry is the same as you would create for any other liability that you pay. You'll debit the liability, cash dividends payable, and credit cash for the amount you pay. Next, we're going to look at stock dividends.